Okay, good morning, guys. Sorry I'm late. This is 7:16, and we're supposed to start at 7. We're supposed to start at 7 a.m., and this is 16 minutes past the time. Welcome to Daily Market Flow by Pinnacle Matrix. I am Dan Dollar, and I'm going to be taking you on session for today. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. Um, okay, so we have been doing an analysis on Euro USD. Look at our analysis on Euro USD, and it has been going pretty smooth. It has been going pretty smooth, and like I said, Euro USD was one of the very certain trades we had. We are specific with three currency pairs. We analyzed GBP USD. We analyzed GBP USD and Euro USD. And for GBP USD, we could not really get a hold of the direction because we are expecting it to create a certain impulsive move. But like I said, we are still looking towards the downside. Looking at GBP USD to go towards the downside, which it's actually doing. This is the daily time frame, remember. So on the lower time frame, you are going to see very massive moves. So on GBP USD, I said we're not really sure of the direction until we see some certain moves, which I'm beginning to see now. But I'm still not interested in GBP USD now. My only focus has been on Euro USD. Now, on a daily time frame, if we are taking this signal together with our daily market flow on the day, then we look back at, I think, on Monday or so, or Friday, since on Friday I did this analysis, or Thursday probably. We are looking at Euro USD do its thing. So we can see that Euro USD is going towards the downside, just like we have analyzed. We can see a breakout from the uptrend, looking out for a downtrend. Now, we have various stop losses. Just we do not own the market. So one thing you must know when to secure your profits, your first take profit. You might be expecting the market at a long run, but always have, let me not use the word always. That is how I trade. So I'm not going to impose that on you. That is just a suggestion, not an advice. So um so on Euro USD, we can see that the market we can see that the market come on, keep quiet. We can see that the market is okay. Sorry, let me reload. We can see that the market is selling. Euro USD is selling. So what we are going to quickly do today is let us agree that our mission on Euro USD is done. I was trying to show you this where we have our first take profit. Now, mind you, I've highlighted some certain zones I'm expecting the market to go to, but this happens to be my first take profit. Then after that, we now look forward to another direction towards this downside. But the moment we get this, then I think we are good. This is a daily time frame, so we are going to be bagging a lot of pips on this move alone. So let's take a look at other currency pairs. Let's take a look at gold, even though we know that we have not really been seeing any really serious thing on gold at the moment. But let's take a look at gold. Like we have always known, gold is on the upside. And I said the only thing that will make us to look out for a buy, look out for an entry on gold. Because right now, I don't know a strategy you trade, you might be seeing an entry. But for us here, we are just the only time we're going to look for an entry on gold is when we see gold come down to this zone that is highlighted here. So if gold can come down to this zone, we have an highlighted here, and create gives us a certain move that is going to confirm that it's going towards the upside. So apart from that, we are not doing anything on gold for now. Doing nothing on gold. We are waiting, watching the market like a hawk. So now let's take a look at another pair. um, let's say GBP card. Let's see what we're having on GBP card. So now we're looking at GBP card. Now we can see on GBP card we are highlighted. Let me see what we are looking at on GBP card. So on GBP card, this is a daily time frame. Let us see. We can see a breakout from the uptrend. Then we are looking out for a downtrend, a downtrend move. We are looking out for a downtrend move. So the downtrend move is let's see where we are going to be entering from. So
have you brushed your teeth? Eh? Brush your Oh yeah.
okay, so back. Sorry for the breaking transmission. So looking at GBP USD,
It's ordinary.
and what we are looking at is okay. We already have a break in. We already have a break of the uptrend. Then we can see. Come in, let me create another one. So we can see a break of the uptrend towards this direction. Now, if we were to if we had taken a look at this trade from here, definitely would have seen an entry. But now, since we are in the present, we are not going to focus on the past. Let's take a look at what we're looking at from here. So here also highlighted probably a beginning of a downtrend. But for now, I have not seen that particular thing, because one thing that makes me certain of a move is the close of a candle. I do not qualify a move. I do not qualify that a move is about to start until I see the close of a candle towards that direction. So right now, if I see a close of a bearish candle and I see the formation of that bearish candle, that is when I'm going to inform our sell. But for now, I am only taking a look at a sell, watching the market like a hawk, waiting for the daily close. So at the end of today, by tomorrow on GBP card, we are likely to know if we are taking a buy, a sell, or not. So what next? Let's take a look at another pair. So one of the pairs on our radar is GBP card. We are already done with Euro USD. The trades are running. Then GBP card is we are watching the market like a hawk. Then let's take a look at NZD USD. I think we did NZD USD. NZD USD. What are we looking at on NZD USD? I think we did. This day was when 19th August. I think we examined this and we were expecting a buy. But nevertheless, if we could look back at our previous videos, I think we did check NZD USD, and we're actually looking out for a buy on NZD USD. So, um, um, if NZD USD is obviously on a downtrend, but we can't take a trade right here. So if we can see NZD USD towards this direction, so I'm expecting the market to go up to this side. Now the market is in a very tight corner. Yeah, this is Our analysis putting the market in a very tight corner, waiting for us to take a decision. So I'm expecting NZD to this top side, which is likely going to do at the top of this side. Then we can obviously take a sell, but I can equally see an inner analysis to be done. So let's take a look at this. So we are obviously looking at the things that can hinder this trade from going to the top. So yeah, I think we have seen what can hinder it, and I've seen every indication of a sell. So NZD also, we are going to be taking a look at. We're going to be taking a look at an entry from this point. Then we're having a stop loss at this point. Having a take profits at this point. So this is that about NZD. Taking a trade from here. We have our stop loss at that point at the end of the red colored zone. So that's what we are seeing on Euro on NZD at the moment. So let's watch the market like a hawk. So we have analyzed two pairs, and that is that for today. We started late, so I'm very sorry for starting late today. We are going to make sure we are always on time. 7 a.m. on the dot, we look at the daily market flow and we ride the tide of the market. Thank you very much, guys. This is still Dan Dollar, and Pinnacle Matrix is a trading academy, a tech academy, and you can get whatever you seek at the Pinnacle. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trading day.